Welcome to Quiz Nation. I'm Jenny. Let's play.
20 American Idioms. Quiz. What does it mean to cut to the chase? To start running. To trim bushes. To get to the point. To get to the point. If someone is on thin ice, what situation are they in? They are ice skating. They are in a risky situation. They are making ice cubes. They are in a risky situation. What does it mean to throw in the towel? To give up or surrender. To clean up after exercising. To donate clothing. To give up or surrender. If you hit the hay, what are you doing? Going to bed or sleeping? Playing baseball? Harvesting crops? Going to bed or sleeping? What does it mean to let the cat out of the bag? Release an animal from a bag. Reveal a secret. Buy pet supplies. Reveal a secret. If someone is in hot water, what have they done? Took a bath. In trouble or facing penalty. Prepared tea. In trouble or facing penalty. What does it mean to kick the bucket? Play soccer. Clean the house. To die or pass away. To die or pass away. If you are all ears, what are you doing? Listening attentively and eagerly. Wearing large earrings. Balancing on your head. Listening attentively or eagerly. What does it mean to be caught red-handed? Caught in the act of doing something wrong. Have red hands from painting. Participating in a sports event. Caught in the act of doing something wrong. If someone is out of the woods, what situation are they in? Lost in nature. No longer in danger. Collecting firewood. No longer in danger. What does it mean to read between the lines? Literally read text between lines on paper. Practice calligraphy. Understand or deduce an implicit meaning or message, but not directly stated. understand or deduce an implicit meaning or message, but not directly stated. If you are on cloud nine, how do you feel? Confused by weather patterns. Extremely happy or joyful. Skydiving at 900 feet. Extremely happy or joyful. What does it mean to be a piece of cake? A slice of dessert. A puzzle piece made from sugar. Something very easy or simple to do. Something very easy or simple to do. What does beat around the bush mean? To avoid getting to the point. To go for a hike in the forest. To trim hedges in a garden. To avoid getting to the point. If someone spills the beans, what do they do? Cook a meal. Reveal a secret. Make a mess. Reveal a secret. What does hit the sack imply? To start a fight. To pack for a trip. To go to bed. To go to bed. If you cry over spilled milk, what are you doing? Regretting something that cannot be changed. Complaining about a minor issue. Cleaning up a mess. Regretting something that cannot be changed. What does break the ice mean? To start a conversation in a social setting. To cool down a drink. To go ice skating. To start a conversation in a social setting. If someone is a couch potato, what are they? A popular shape of a couch. A farmer who grows potatoes. Someone who watches television a lot. Someone who watches television a lot. What does under the weather mean? Feeling ill or unwell. Being outdoors during bad weather. Experiencing a natural disaster. Feeling ill or unwell.
Great job! Like, share, and subscribe.